Advanced Excel, how to create a drop-down box in Microsoft Excel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually create a drop-down box in cell A4 of this worksheet. In this drop-down box, I simply want a list of all the titles that I could use for each of my different customers that will be listed in this worksheet. The first step in creating a drop-down box is to simply move to Sheet 2 and actually create my list. So the first thing I'm going to do is in the cell A1, type in my heading, title, and then create my actual list of titles. So I'm going to type in Mr., Miss, Mrs., Ms., Professor, Doctor, and Reverend, and that's my full list. Now the first step in creating my drop-down list is I must actually name this full range. So you can see I've actually chosen the whole set of range from A2 through to A8. Now to name this range, I simply come up into the name box, type in the word title, and hit enter. And you'll now see if I come back to my drop-down box here, choose title, that range is selected correctly. The next step is to go back to Sheet 1 and then simply use the data validation option to actually create my drop-down box. I do this by simply going to the data menu, choosing validation, and then from the settings tab I simply choose list. In this case I now type in the source of my list. My source of my list will simply be the name range title. I press OK, and you'll now see I have my drop-down box with all the different options that are available. So I could choose Miss, Mrs, etc. from this drop-down box. If I wanted to use this drop-down box for other entries, all I simply do is move my mouse pointer over the fill handle and it will now add the drop-down box to all of those cells. So as I click through these cells now, you'll see the drop-down box is available. If you find that your actual drop-down box or the entries are not in alphabetical order, you can easily sort your list simply by going back to the original list, choosing the full range, going to the data menu and choosing sort, and then simply saying to sort by the title. So you can see I've chosen my data range has a header row, which is the title field. Simply say in ascending order, press OK, and you can now see my title range is in alphabetical order. If we go back to Sheet 1, choose the drop-down box, you can now see that that order is reflected in the drop-down box. One-on-one professional business training has a number of tools to help you learn Microsoft Excel. One of our great tools is the Microsoft Excel laminated cheat sheets. These double-sided cheat sheets provide information such as the most commonly used shortcuts, functions, and also the layout of the actual screen. We have a number of different types of laminated cheat sheets, which includes a Microsoft Excel's basic cheat sheet, an advanced cheat sheet, a formula cheat sheet. We even have a concatenation and formatting date and time cheat sheet. All of these cheat sheets are available from our website at www.nqtraining.com/Excel cheat sheets. We also have a Microsoft Excel Basics correspondence course for Microsoft Excel 2003. It covers many of the functions that we've looked at in this video, as well as additional functions and formulas available in the program. The correspondence course comes with 2 training manuals and all of the actual exercises you'll need. The training program is set up so that it is self-paced. In each exercise, you'll learn a little bit of theory and then you'll do a practically led exercise at the end. Each individual topic actually builds on the previous topic until you become very confident in using Microsoft Excel 2003. For more information on this program, simply visit www.nqtraining.com/learnexcel.asp.